Hi there, Chef Taylor at the Lounge here. Today we're going to be going over the Chicken Parmesan Sandwich. It's been on the menu since day one. We're excited to bring it to lunch starting April 5th. Let's check a look. We'll drop our breaded chicken breast down. It's been buttermilk soaked overnight with a little bit of Parmesan, lemon zest, herbs and spices. Out of the fryer. And drain it. All right, we've got our fried chicken breast here, a little salt and pepper. Our red cabbage slaw with the slaw dressing. Season that. We've got our toasted bun, a little butter on there. A tomato jam, what we call an Italian verde, with onions, garlic, shallot, and herbs, all cooked down in butter. Chicken. Slaw on top. Cap it. Cut it in half. Onto our plate. There we are. So we'll finish it with some of our house-made pickles. We've got pickled cauliflower and pickled carrots. And there we have it, the Chicken Parmesan Sandwich. Comes with your choice of side, fries, salad, or soup. Enjoy.